What's up guys, Bearded Jeeper here, and today we're replacing these crappy stock headlights with some Loyo LED headlights. Now anyone that has a stock Wrangler knows that these crappy yellow dingy headlights don't light up for crap at night. So I don't want these on the wife's Jeep. She has a hard time seeing at night as it is. So today we're going to take care of that and replace them with some brighter LED headlights so she can see where she's going. Alright, these Loyo LED headlights, made in China, come in this really nice looking box. It's not just a plain white box like I see a lot of stuff come in. I do really like that it comes with this diagram on the back. Shows you where the high beam, low beam. This is for if you have the halo. It does come nicely packaged in here. And it does come with these adapter plugs on. Well, it comes in the bottom of each one. Now I'm not going to walk you through every little part of this install because it's simple enough. You pop out a few rivets, pop the grill off, and 4 screws around the headlight bezel and it pops off. I have plenty of other videos showing that. This is just going to be a quick installing the headlights, and then I'll show you how they look at night when we light them up. We even use this to prop rods on these Wranglers. I never use the prop rod. I just fold windshield back carefully, or fold the hood back carefully, and it just sits right there. You got a whole lot more room. Oh, we got to remove these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, look, I can count to 6. So we got to remove all those, and then we can make sure to disconnect your little marker lights here. Literally just turn this connector down and the whole bulb slides right out. So you want to do that on both sides so you don't rip it out. So just turn down for what? Gotta pry up enough on this to free up the center section, and you pull it out and drop it on the ground. And we got a few more to do, and then we'll pull the grill off. And if the little top piece comes out, that's fine. That's meant to. It goes back in easy enough. Then you just give her a wriggle. Pop these clips out from underneath here. Just pull straight out. They don't like to come out sometimes. There we go. Frozen heavy mustache. And grills off. Now we can get access to these. I think they're like a T15 or something like that. T something. So you got 4 of those holding the ring in, then you pop the headlight out. I'll put the new one in. You can pop this ring off. Set that aside. Then you pop your headlight out. This passenger side one doesn't have as much give. There's a little red tab right in there. Pry that up, and then you can squeeze the headlight and get it out. Might need a second hand here and a screwdriver. There we go, headlights out. And the other one's plug and play, so we should just plug it in and put everything back together. Now you definitely want to check and make sure everything wired up right, and make sure the lights actually come on. The lights actually come on. Got these 3 for low beam. You add the top one for high beam. I already checked the low and the high beam. I have to say one thing. These connections fit better than any other aftermarket headlight that I've got. It's like it was a little bit smaller, so it fits in perfectly. And then I was able to put the red tab down. It almost fits better than the factory. And it clicked right into place. Nice solid connection, so we should be good. Oh, look, we got light now so you can see. But it fit right in there, perfect. That's what they look like installed on the Jeep. I think they look really awesome. Mustache really adds the touch. pretty nice. Can't wait to see what they look like at night. So fast forward to tonight. So well, you got the light on my garage here, but let's see what these lights look like. Looking a lot brighter than stock. That is way brighter. Before you couldn't even see back here at all. Let's actually turn the Jeep on though. All right, we got parking lights, low beam, and high beam. Low beam, high beam. I actually thought they were reversed at first. That kind of rhymes. Just because it's, whoa. So you got these three that come on, and that's low beam. And when you turn on high beam, this fourth one comes on. It's kind of seems backwards, but looks like it worked. All right, guys, that's it. Thanks for checking out this little video review. I really enjoy these headlights. True test comes when my wife drives this, but I think this is gonna be a lot safer and a lot brighter for her to be able to see at night. If you want to get a set of these headlights, I'll put a link in the description below. They're Loyo headlights, loyo.com. They're really great. I really love them. As always, guys, stay bearded, stay cheapin'. I'm out.